Good morning, students. Welcome to Geography class. Day 16 की Geography class का मैं आपको तरह ऑक्सरी chapter बुझे Geography की चथरी बसे मैं आपने कभी दुनी Unit 10 चथरी Unit 10 से बुझे एक मखा चथर जरा के बुझे नसी चथर दरिबा topic असे page 103 की agriculture है वो topic दुनी Mamangi just let me give you a small recap. Mamangi day 15 da aina microhydel project khagi matang da hai khibani ara ngasi aina haugaduriba topic ase page 103 gi agriculture haiba unit 10 gi adugi topic tudani myam tang review yam haza ba maru eba question kaya ma si topic sidagi yawi mahu sagumna ai maru eba question sing so question si kya da han khaba de hangwi aba suggested question ga loina answer ga loina yimina si so I question amtang anitan hana amte ijarake okay. The question anything is a very important question. Both the questions are very important. Animal important question anytime we have question. Now first question is write the chief features of agriculture practice in Manipur. Manipur the maru aina huji lau uriba magi mo mato se kari no tau have magi maru eba mo mato Manipur huji lau uriba mo mato se maru eba kari no tau have ni. Larita piri base maru eba mo mato ani piri underline tau dunia ai kajitang hana ai ani do yam samlapna shortcut ta haijaramge amada ching da lau ubamong ama tampak da lau ubamong maramdi Manipur haiba state city plain amsung valley na combine tora saba adugumba state amani adna ching da lau ubamong sina kari haina thonbagi haiba matamda makhal ani lai ching da lau ubasina apre terrace cultivation haiba ma shifting cultivation haiba malai मैंने उबिरमगनी थाक नारगा lau ubudo ching da lau ubudo uramagani terrace cultivation kawi amasung shifting cultivation pamlo uba ina mafam amada umang chi pothoga mai thadoga mafam da tokhaira lau ubai mong se mafam hong lau ubai mong sina shifting cultivation kawi asigi mong ani sina chingda hill district hinga taw ubo fam now tampatra karama makhangi lau ui tampak lau ui mafam sigi mong sidi akoina mafam amde lengdana chahi khuding lau ubani maduna akoina tampak lau ubasibu permanent cultivation haina khangne ai answer mafam amtang ai pajarakya maya underline amta tobiu agriculture topic to gi first paragraph ki mayai waida amtang use mane yawbani you can underline the sentence. Permanent cultivation is generally practiced in the valley district, while terrace cultivation as well as shifting cultivation is adopted in most of the hill districts. I know jita hai kibaduni permanent cultivation na tampaki district hinda tawre shifting cultivation amasung terrace cultivation habasna chingi lamda tawre point ani yawrabani ma ani isdare. Okay, now mathangi question. This is also very important question. Sishu yang number question amani amti English. Why does agricultural production fluctuate in Manipur? Sida fluctuate hai bo hai meyaw she fluctuate dagi lakwa ni fluctuation dan hai aka akum nai ba hai amuk helba amuk wat fluctuate le ba kawi aka akum nai se kari hai na hai da. Why does agricultural production fluctuate in Manipur? Manipur da lau shubun pothok se aka akum nai ba chahi ama aka akum nai ba amuk na pothok he hengat pa amuk na pothok he hantaba taw nai ba se kari maram na noi na question si na answer se point ani yang khazana point ani piri sentence oile sun chingchan biu adura point ani yawjarabani haujiki first paragraph gi last sentence first paragraph agriculture topic to gi first paragraph ki last sentence go just underline to you the irregular and erratic behavior of monsoon have point sim no khoina point 1 and Ethiopia irregular and erratic behavior of monsoon na sina point kari gi manam na low shu ko thok se fluctuation lai bano fluctuate to bano ha bu gi maram je aka ku nai na bada akoi nom se chang yam nai irregular erratic behavior ma se irregular yam chang yam nai amu he ganna chu thoki bi yawa amu he thena chu ba yawa aduna agriculture production da effect over amu he he na jura ising chau thok pe yawa amu na chai khara mana wa na jura ikam thok pe yawa asiguma problem monsoon ge problem ama oibuna maram ore haraga fluctuation le ni have point am le and amana ani show point inadequate irrigation facilities inadequate matik cha irrigation facilities akoi ithai lapungi ising gi pambai sing che ithai ising gi pambai le riba mayam se masi matik cha hai ba maram ani sina ore have resulted in fluctuation in agriculture production aduna long chung pothok sida aka ku nai bani point ani ka utang remind tauge kari ni damakta long chung pothok sida aka ku nai ba no have a question si answer se first point da monsoon se irregular erratic koi ba ha monsoon chang hai da ani shuba point da inadequate irrigation facilities ithai lokong ising pambai sing che matik cha di point ani se pira ga sumi ani ma ani si su ko hi chapter se pira ko question ku mak se ma ani oi doi ni kari mo sa na chitha na thadra mani da ma ni ta ba yaw ga su mai ro sin sum khang bi ro ma ani oi doi ni ha ga se okay now makha chathrak pada continuation to pada 2019 ki metric exam na hang question am tam aina thamjage sida suma ijrake 2019 da hang question ni amna easy or question ni mention okay sida le 2019 hang kai hai mention the two most important cereal crops of Manipur hai Manipur ki khwaidagi madu cereal crops ani kai kai mamin ta u hai adu bu sida mamin kha ta amadadi mani du khumba khitang ngai ro madu cereal crops madu ani si kai kai no haba matam na han ai hajarage rice haiba ma khwaidagi staple food ni Manipur da tampak ta su ching da su ani mak ta khwaidagi maru oina chanari ba koi cereal crops se rice ne asigi matang pareng ama ani gum happy batare naitegi yaurabani ama na ani shubana cereal crops maize chuja ade ai kari hapadawna untangai pajarake merosin antang underline option view second paragraph is mani yaurabani rice is a staple food of Manipur and is grown in both the hill and plain areas rice habase tampak da su ching da su patakna chanariba maru oiba staple food ama oiba cereal crops amani asima underline tawiro then pari macham tang kalam biraga mathangi line ching ching view ko aina important line do khandok chabani in fact this district is the highest production of rice followed by Thawal district akoi rice ko thopada ani makok ta leiba district se in fact east ni adugi tungin goina second leiba se Thawal district ni asmaina rice matang si ibi whereas Haiwahi ma hapamaga natraga second point of maize chujaki matanga third paragraph chujaki yaurabani maize is the next important crop of Manipur next important crop I have say ahamadi rice la ikredana adugi ani shuba maru crop se cereal crops ha batare chujak chine Ukhrul and Senapati district are the two main producers of maize Ukhrul district amsung Senapati district sta patak chujak ha maru district ani se Ukhrul ga Senapati ga ni asi ani se combine ta ibiro 2019 da give a question asin okay now agriculture have a topic sidagi aina pinning ba last question amatanga yang 10 question yang ichan cham question amatanga lai akoi moral education center na shinkiba competitive mock test exam da 2015 ha question amatanga lai adom tanga bijarake asiam ta hana introduct tawjarake okay question da sida lai jare question da isda question mai bijare sida write the chief features of cotton grown in Manipur masi moral education center na simba examination da 2015 na git question ni sida cotton hai wa ma heroin na cotton hai lasing Manipur da maru ai thari lasing feature mar lasing thari se magi maru ai ba chief feature maru ai mo ma tom te i wa majority kitang confuse sa ai question je mani patak na Manipur da lasing patak thab se kaya laiti adubu Manipur da lasing thari samai mo ma to kari kamai to no habi katang iu habane aduni hari question si answer sa ai hajarage page 103 makta second last paragraph hai tare pulses na hoba paragraph am yawani adugi aroiba sentence ni underline to view sentence puri underline to bada sentence ama khata oibani adubu aduda point ani yawjarabani ai explain to rake cotton is of short staple type nasari point 1 oidu se cotton se tentang ai shortcut ijara ke short staple type. Short staple type. See the first point we need to see question see answer si ko. Short staple type hai ba ma. I explain to zarake. And N is cultivated area is small as compared to other crops. Small as compared to other crops. Other crops. Now, see point is yaudara. See point is ibakanda mani sukhangai short staple type Manipur thare lasing se short staple type. Habadi lasing se makal ani thum khaido ki bari ko chapter 7 daga yaubani yam fazana chapter 6 da su yaubani short staple type habama long staple type. Short staple type sina koi kari hai 18 mm phau khatang 15 dagi 18 mm phau khatang lang se sing thok da phangdoi ne ba. Aduga long staple type cotton sin lasing se kha chaw doi ni afaba makal ki quality le bo iduni 25 mm ki mathak da phangdoi ne lasing se. Adu Manipur da thai se kya kanna phabal lasing makhan natte ba. Short staple type point. Asing le point ko. Then ani shukta small as compared to other crops hai. Mara lasing se thari se atopa mahi maru changdang ba matam da yam big pa area da thai atopa ga mahi maru crop sing ga changdang ba matam si ga ani sini my chief feature ha da lasing se. Asida agriculture ha ba topic ya maru topic se Manipur gi di agriculture se maru topic mo oi asi matang da matang sida agriculture topic se losin jare mathang da page 104 da amdi yengbiu page 104 da land use pattern hai topic amu yawani akoi Manipur da kari kari hiram da kamha se seasonary bano habagi list ma pi bani not so important kya kana maru oi dia kalam asi then industry sub topic se yengbiro again an important topic amka su agriculture ki matung da industry aba topic se maru topic ma oire hazab question am tang ai matang se industry aba topic to da episode ke this is important question ya hai na su note option bi ai ayo singa. Here's the question. Question say, why is Manipur industrially backward state? Give any two reasons. Manipur se industry ki hiram da thai digi hona sothara ga laba backward wara ga laba state amane. Kari maram da Manipur se industry hiram da sothara ga laba no maram ani biu ha ga. Magi maram ani tanate maram mayam yauri adu yengsi kari kari maram na no Manipur se industry hiram da Kolkata hiram da ngasi phauba sothara ga lai se kari maram na ha to amting minasi industry of topic to dagi first sentence se chingchan bi khibe are Manipur continues to be an industry backward state. Manipur se ngasi phau continue to na lai the backward way na lai industry hiram se. This is because my maram se I should explain to our hajar ke meaning chu hanjar ke. This is because Manipur of poor mineral resources. Mineral se Manipur marang kai phangdaba mineral marang kai phangde haba pire difficult terrain chingum man kai am laiba difficult terrain oi shortage of power mai marang kai phangdaba electricity marang kai phangdaba na marang lack of capital paisa thada biba wat pa poor transport system chathok chasin gi pambai chingi lam boru na marang chathok chasin gi pambai kya matik cha daba and lack of entrepreneurship and technical skills paisa thada biba entrepreneurs me am so wat ba ya. Then technical skill hai thoi sing thoi ba khut sa de ba praja sing yang wa de ba Manipur se sigi maram sing china ore ya Manipur se industry backward state oi na la I simagi solid points na silai jare okay continue tor pada sida mahiroi singa page 104 da 1 ni 10 for list sama ko ubiraman list ase sida akoi matam amada Manipur da leraba industry macha macha nakani industry singni mairoi singa du ki list to pabiro moi mayam se ayam na loina ma wine up to mut khreba muthat khrem su mut khreba kai malam na mut khreb because of the financial problem sen thungi awa thenga badagi sarkara yengchin biba wat padagi raw material pochak bibi wat padagi hari industry singki ayam mut khreba adu khara makhani hoji kanna sarkara yengchalaga hingatlaba amasung hingatpa kaya ma yawre kudawna footpath project haina Nilakuthi da leriba jinjak sabagi hai mai sabagi katna Nilakuthi aba lamchida footpath project koi hingali hoji Minitron ana electronic ki oiba koi gi leriba industry masa se Minitron je koi gi Minitron na point number 9 da yawriba Manipur Electronic Development Corporation Limited masisu kan hingadai asmai tara khara lai okay si matang dali aina makhada sum continue tawzara age industry me amarak sida Manipur ki maru ba industry ahum important industry ahum nei gani si para asida minguna palabada handloom industry habama sericulture industry habama amasu handicraft industry hab adugi du mathang manau naina ai sum continue tawzara ke mai roising amtang yengview okay adugo ngasi gi oina di aina handloom industry de 16 gi loisulak topic se handloom industry khatang ai takjarak ke handloom industry hand hadi khud loom hai wa hi si kon ha aduri kari industry oire habari phisalo sagi karkhana kon da phisari pholi wasi gi karkhana sini apne handloom industry habase sida question ama khatang aina heroi singda pijaramge question ama sigi answer so aina najaramge okay sida jare question se handloom industry gi phisalo sagi karkhana habani matang sida pijare question ama khat review. Why is handloom industry developing in Manipur? Give two reasons. Handloom industry phisalo sai karkhana se Manipur yam chakhari ta chakhali develop tori kari marana develop tori but mara mani view ha see answer se actually is not given directly in the book textbook ta chakchala answer pi de aduna mai ro se thibada tang warani aduna si matang gi answer di aina board e thokjarake adu idringai sida ai kijitang handloom industry matang da explanation matang ta feature amge hana handloom industry se makal ani gi traditional akoi gi kon makal ani lai hai tare akoi loom makal ani lai traditional yo hai tare ko yan ubiram ni tapak ta koina toraga khong toraga put toraga saba traditional loom sam lai den chingningon chingchina khwang ga fara saba traditional yo ai ba akoi gi chitana tana hojik power loom kaya electric loom kaya hai kon electric ki kon kaya thola gani ko aduga phai Manipur sida sariba phi singse taman taman faza design ki ama happy design mamin khara panjara ke like su yaw bani page 105 ki hai top ta yaw bani sida hai bani thau phi lamkha khula amen chatpa moiran phi lasing phi hizamaye lairong akoi bi ga haina yang taman ba design faza now she question si answer se ai answer ina ai jara aga sim tangdi explain tau jara age point number 1 point 1 sira ke point ani ka ira ke ina okay sida point ani se aina directly like ta phajana yaw dawi ani sida pithok tere si matangdi merosia sida is not obibi answer is my p number 1 point its products are well known within and outside India and has a big market akui products hai kuch hai kuch koi state manu khatadra tana state ki mapane all over India pumbada yang famous koi mami yang chatle yang demand lai de ma kai thien chauna phangye mayam leibi ba mai demand yam lay ba systematic lay asi maram amna ore developing boy koi maram sini mai pizari se then second point it employed a large number of workers throughout the state ko state umba da yam laba praja ba thabak sin bibi ya sigi handloom industry thabak sin bibi now sis my other big the answer se okay my dear students ngasi day 16 ki geography class se ai spider tension jage mathangi day 17 da makha continuation tawzarake adugu mausa paralo silakpa khudingi aina quotation masam tang mayam gi sumpuni thogalaba pijabado quotation masam tang ai mayam gi pijaramge the way to get started is to quit talking and start doing Walt Disney na abidam quotation abadi nang tasengna ma thabak ang tawi ham tardi wa balle ko adu thabak ang tawa si harga nasi classes pada attention jara. Thank you so much.